Hello all, welcome to Amigos IAS Academy. In this weekly review, we shall look after the places in news which are covered in this week's The Hindu and Indian Express newspapers. So we'll start with international places and then we'll move to national places in news. So the first place in news is Birch Glacier and Lonza Valley. The Birch Glacier recently has collapsed into Lonza Valley, thereby interrupting the flow of river Lonza, which caused the floods in nearby villages. So this is why the Birch Glacier and Lonza Valley are in news. Now let us see where are these both present. These both are majorly present in Switzerland, and Birch Glacier is located in the Lochenstell Valley in northern Switzerland. So remember, both your Birch Glacier, Lonza Valley and River Lonza are situated in Switzerland. The next place is Perito Moreno Glacier. The Perito Moreno Glacier is majorly situated in southern part of your Argentina. This is in news because of alarming changes which are noticed due to the climate change. This glacier is majorly present in your Los Glaciares National Park, which is a UNESCO's World Heritage Site. This Perito Moreno Glacier is also called as White Giant because of its humongous size, that is 250 square kilometers and approximately 30 kilometers long. This is majorly present in your Andes Mountains, which are present in your South America. So these are the facts related to your Perito Moreno Glacier. Remember, it is present in southern part of your Argentina and it is majorly present in your Los Glaciares National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So remember the name of Los Glaciares National Park. Moving on to third place is your Mount Etna. As you have witnessed, Mount Etna recently erupted. So this is an active volcano which is present in Sicily of your Italy. So if you observe, this is the Sicily of Italy. So Mount Etna is situated in Italy. This recently erupted, that's why Mount Etna is in news. Mount Etna is a stratovolcano. Remember this. This can be asked. It is a stratovolcano. And it is classified as decayed volcano because of its activeness and frequent eruptions which is being witnessed. So these are the facts about your Mount Etna. Please go through the map. It is present in Sicily of your Italy. The next place in news is Socotra Island. The Socotra Island is mainly belonging to Yemen. You all know Yemen is recently seen in news many times because of Houthi rebellion. Houthis are fighting against the Yemenis government and Houthis are part of your axis of resistance which is backed by Iran. Please go through the axis of resistance and what all forces are belonging to the axis of resistance. So Socotra Island is under the control of Yemen. Socotra Island is in news because your UAE and WHO are planning for humanitarian assistance mainly to counter the child malnutrition and maternal malnutrition in Socotra Island. Few facts about Socotra Island. Socotra is a biodiversity rich island known as Galapagos of Indian Ocean. So it is known as Galapagos of Indian Ocean because of its unique flora and fauna. Socotra Island is also declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008 mainly due to its endemism. 37% of its plant species are endemic only to Socotra, means they are not found anywhere else. That's why it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which is designated in 2008 and it is also called as Galapagos of Indian Ocean. Remember these facts regarding your Socotra Island. The next place in news is your Paraguay. The Paraguay is in news because the president of Paraguay is on a state visit to India from June 2nd to June 4th. So the president of Paraguay, Santiago Pena Palacios, is in India for a state visit. Now Paraguay is a landlocked country which is present in your South America. It means it doesn't have any coast and it is bounded by your Brazil, Bolivia and Argentina. So land boundaries of Paraguay are Bolivia to northwest and north, Brazil to northeast and east, and Argentina to southeast, south and west, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through the country of Paraguay and the highest peak in Paraguay is your Cerro Pero. So these are the important facts regarding the country Paraguay. Moving on to next place, Samoa. Why Samoa is in news? Because India's External Affairs Minister recently extended greetings to the government and people of Samoa on their Independence Day observed on 1st June every year. So if you observe, Samoa is in South Pacific Ocean, that too between your Hawaii and New Zealand. So remember, Samoa is in South Pacific Ocean between Hawaii and New Zealand. and it is made up of an archipelago. It consists of 9 islands, out of which only 4 islands are inhabited, and these are mostly originated from volcanic activity. And Samoa gained its independence from New Zealand in 1962, and this is the first Pacific island country to achieve independence. So these are the facts about the Samoa. Please go through the Samoa Islands, which are present in South Pacific Ocean between your Hawaii and New Zealand, and it gained independence from New Zealand in 1962. The next place in news is Inga hydropower plant. The Inga hydropower plant is in news because World Bank has approved $250 million for the construction of Inga hydropower plant. The Inga hydropower plant is majorly situated on Inga waterfalls of Congo River in Democratic Republic of Congo. Now let us see a series of hydropower projects on Congo River aimed at utilizing Inga Falls massive energy potential. So this is the main objective of your Inga hydropower project. It is located approximately 225 kilometers southwest of Kinshasa. As you all know, Kinshasa is the capital of your Democratic Republic of Congo. It is built on Congo River at Inga Falls, on the world's most powerful natural waterfalls. So Inga waterfalls are most powerful waterfalls. So if you observe, Inga waterfalls is constructed here near to the Kinshasa, which is the capital of your Democratic Republic of Congo. Next important place in news is your Kerch Strait. Kerch Strait is in news because of ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. Recently, Ukraine claimed responsibility for the underwater explosion that damaged the Kerch Bridge. So there is a bridge on Kerch Strait which is connecting your Crimea and Russia. This recently got exploded because of Ukraine. That's why this is in news. If you observe, strait is a narrow passage of water which is separating two larger water bodies. So Kerch Strait is separating your Sea of Azov and Black Sea. Remember this, it is separating Sea of Azov and Black Sea, and Kerch Strait is between your Crimea and Russia, and there is a bridge which is connecting these places which got exploded recently. That's why the particular article is in news. Now that's all about international places in news. Now let us see what are the national places which are in this week's news. So the first place is Davojali Harding. I think you all studied about this place in your history. This is a Neolithic site. This is again in news because recently they have found furnace and iron slag near this place. That's why this is back in news. So if you know, this is a Neolithic place and it is majorly known for first evidence of an Eastern Asiatic Neolithic complex of double-shouldered cells and cord mark pottery in India was reported from here. That's why this place is very important in our history, and this place is majorly present in your Dima Hasao district of Assam. So if you observe, it is present in Assam in Dima Hasao district. So that's all about Davojali Harding place. Moving on to next place in news is your Kichan and Meenar wetlands. These both wetlands are added to Ramsar wetland list on World Environmental Day, that is celebrated on June 5th. That's why these both are in news. Now Kichan and Meenar wetlands are present in your Rajasthan. Previously Rajasthan used to have two wetlands, that is one is your Sambar Lake and other is Keoladeo Ghana National Park. By adding these two, the total number of wetlands in Rajasthan increased to 4 and total number of wetlands in India increased to 91. So these two are very important and these can be asked in upcoming examinations. So this is the map which is showing the wetlands across India. After adding Kichan and Meenar wetlands, the total number of wetlands in India increased to 91. This is 2024 map, so you can't find Kichan and Meenar in this particular map. But after adding the two wetlands, the number of wetlands in Rajasthan increased to 4 and that of India increased to 91. The next important topic is about Aravalli Range. Aravalli Range is in news because of Green Wall initiative taken up by Indian government. The Aravalli Range passes through majorly the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and ends up in Delhi, and it is traveling approximately 692 kilometers and it is oldest mountain range in India. So these are important facts about your Aravalli Range. And another important fact is Guru Shikhar located in Mount Abu is the tallest point in Aravalli Range. So if you observe, Guru Shikhar is present in your Rajasthan, that too near Mount Abu. Guru Shikhar is the tallest peak of your Aravalli Range. So these are important facts about your Aravalli Range. So here is the map which is showing the Aravalli range. It is passing through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. The same map is shown in a political map of India. So please remember the states through which Aravalli range is passing through. Moving on to rivers in news. The first river in news is Kulsi River. Kulsi River is in news because both Meghalaya government and Assam government has decided to construct a hydropower plant on this Kulsi River. That's why this is in news. If you observe, this is the state of Meghalaya and this is the state of Assam. Near the boundary of both the state, the Kulsi basin boundary is present. On this hydropower project is being constructed, and this river is majorly famous for endangered Ganges river dolphin. So remember, this is majorly known for endangered Ganges river dolphin. So that's all about the Kulsi River. Moving on to next river in news is Meethi River. Meethi River is in news because of recent Enforcement Directorate raids conducted on people who are connected with Meethi River desilting project scam. That's why this is in news. Let us see about Meethi River. Meethi River is a seasonal river which is present in your Mumbai, that is your Maharashtra. And Meethi River serves as a crucial drainage outlet for excess monsoon waters and functions as a flood control channel. So this majorly helps in controlling floods of Mumbai. That's why this is important. If you observe, Meethi River is situated here and this is a major flood outlet channel for Mumbai. And next river in news is your Netravati River. The river Netravati is in news because of continuous rainfall in Dakshina Kannada has led to an increase in water level of Netravati River. That's why the Netravati River is in news. Netravati River is often called as the lifeline of Dakshina Kannada and it is a west flowing river. This is very important. Very few rivers in India are west flowing. That is, they are going and joining your Arabian Sea. So Netravati River is one of such west flowing rivers apart from your Narmada, Tapi, etc. So remember, Netravati River is a west flowing river and majorly present in Dakshina Kannada and it is often called as lifeline of Dakshina Kannada. Next, let us discuss about protected areas in news. The first place is your Kaval Tiger Reserve. Kaval Tiger Reserve is situated in Telangana. It is in news because Telangana government has declared the area which is connecting your Kaval Tiger Reserve to Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra as Komaram Bheem Conservation Area. That's why this is in news. So remember, Komaram Bheem Conservation Reserve is being declared by Telangana government under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. That area which is connecting your Kaval Tiger Reserve to Tadoba Andheri National Park cum Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra as Komaram Bheem Conservation Reserve. So that's why this particular thing is in news. Moving on to second is about Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. Why is Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary in news? Because Wildlife Institute of India has recently collared 3 endangered fishing cats for first time in India to study various factors such as home range, behavior, breeding and prey patterns of these species which are situated in Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Godavari Estuary where Koringa River confluences into Bay of Bengal in Kakinada district of Andhra Pradesh. So if you take Andhra Pradesh map, Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is situated here near the Kakinada district where Koringa River confluences into the Bay of Bengal. So this is about your Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. The next place in news is your Greater Flamingo Sanctuary in Dhanushkodi. Tamil Nadu government has notified Greater Flamingo Sanctuary in Dhanushkodi to safeguard the wetlands along the Central Asian Flyway. Please go through the countries which are covered under your Central Asian Flyway. It is very important for migratory birds. Now this is Dhanushkodi. This is where Greater Flamingo Sanctuary is present. That's all for today's video. We shall meet in next week video. Till then, happy learning.